let's try something else. Draw a dog. Add some glue. And take some of this straight pasta called spaghetti and break it into small pieces. And then stick it down. Arrange the pasta. And look, it's a spaghetti spaniel. Finish it off with a pasta bow. Why don't you have a go? Pasta tubes make great spiky hair. Wiggly pasta makes really good horse's hair. And tiny pasta tubes make fantastic curly hair. What a great way of making a really clever picture. Now all that's left to do is frame it. You can make pictures out of all sorts of things. Watch this. I've got something to show you. Watch this. Go on then, off you go. Guess what picture the footprints are making? Any ideas yet? What could it be? It's a dragon! That was brilliant! It's a lovely day for a spot of spring cleaning. Lovely! I can see the sea! Aha! This gives me an idea. A super squashy foam boat that can float. Let's make it! We'll need some things from the doodle drawers. Some different coloured sponges. Lobster? No, we don't need this. Ow! Don't get snappy. Some scissors. And some white sticky PVA glue. Whoa! Now, to make a foam boat like this one here, first get a large rectangle-shaped sponge like this. This is going to be the main part of our boat. Now, take some scissors, but be careful because scissors are sharp. We need to cut 2 triangle shapes, here and here. Now, this is a bit fiddly, so it's probably best to ask an adult to help you. You should be left with a boat shape like this. There. Next we need 3 other sponges, and these are great because they're all different colours. Let's put the green one on top. There. Now with another sponge, carefully cut a small rectangle shape. Let's pop this on top of that green sponge there. And then with our last sponge, we can cut out some details. Cut some little circle shapes out for portholes and a bigger shape for a funnel. Again, if you find this hard, ask an adult to help you. Now you're ready to stick it all together. I've stuck my 3 big sponges together and put 4 windows on this side and 4 windows on the other side, and even a funnel on top. Wow! A super squashy squashy foam boat. I wonder if it'll float. Oh, let's see. It does. Let's jump aboard. Ooh, great! A life on the ocean wave. Oh, I am feeling a bit seasick though. Oh, I think we should get back to dry land. Oh, that's better. Now let's see what else you can make with a sponge. Fantastic, look! A sponge tractor. And what a nipper, a sponge crab. Wow! So you see, you can turn a sponge into anything you want.
Time to go! Time to go!
Oh, that's it for now. My making time's over, but yours is just beginning. See you soon. It's time to put all this stuff back in its box. If you like making things like Mr. Maker, visit bbc.co.uk/cbbs for more ideas.
Mr. Maker! Mr. Maker!